Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. To replace a grease filter in your retractable downdraft vent, raise the vent, then lift the filter latch to pull the old filter out. Install the new grease filter by aligning the bottom edge first, then lift the latch to fully position the top edge. We recommend replacing both grease filters at the same time. With the filters in place, lower the vent. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.